a problem from tensor calculus, and the problem is evaluate Eijk into Eijk, one in the subscript and one in the superscript, where Eijk and Eijk are E system of third order if Ijk this is equal to 1, 2, 3. Before going to the solution of this proof, we first define what is the E system of third order. Okay, E system of third order, we clearly see that Eijk has 27 component. Okay, 27 component, and we define the E system as the definition of E system of third order as E1, 2, 3. This is equal to E2, 3, 1. This is equal to E1, 3. Sorry, this is not 1, 3. This is 3, 1, 2. This 3 quantity is equal to 1. And another 3 quantity, that is E2, 1, 3, E3, 2, 1, E1, 3, 2. These are minus 1. And all the other 21 quantity, because these are 6 and 27 minus 6, this is 21 quantities, sorry, or component are equal to 0. Okay, and similar definition for the E system in superscript. Now we write our expression. This is Eijk into Eijk. It is clear that I, J and K both in its summation convention. Okay, so we write first in the summation convention of I, and this is given by E1jk, E1jk plus E2jk into E2jk and plus E3jk into E3jk, because I in the summation convention. Okay, now consider the first term of this sum. This is given by E1jk into E1jk. Now here j is also in the summation convention, so we write this is E11k into E11k plus E12k into E12k plus this is E13k into E13k. Now the value of E11k, this is must be equal to 0, and also E11k is also 0, so the first term is 0. Now to expand the second and third term in the summation convention of k, and getting the result as E1 to 1 into E1 to 1 plus E1 to 2 into E1 to 2 plus E1 to 3 into E1 to 3 plus for the third term we get E131 E131 plus E132 into E132 plus E133 into E133. Okay, and clearly this term is 0, this term is also 0, and this is also 0, and this term is 1 into 1, because this is equal to 1, also this is equal to 1, and from this is equal to 0, and this is given by this is minus 1 into minus 1, because E132 132 means minus 1, and also 132 is minus 1, and the last term is also 0. So we get from this term, this is 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. And similarly, if we expand this term, we get also 2, and from this term, we get also 2. So our result is 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is 6. Okay, so the value of this is equal to 6. Very easy problem of E system. Okay, thank you for watching.